Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two CRM platforms called Keap and Salesforce. So I'm going to explore the strength and the weakness of this platform to help you make an informed decision about which of these CRM will be the right CRM for you to use in 2025. So to get started with the overview, Keap is a CRM built for small business and solopreneur, combining contact management, email marketing, and sales automation into one simplified tools. Now, talking about Salesforce on the other side, it's a leading enterprise-grade CRM platform known for its power, scalability, and a broad ecosystem designed for medium to large business with a complex sales and a customer service need. And here's the key important strength and weakness together with the pricing plan about this platform called Keap. Keap offers a inbuilt email marketing landing page tools, which is part of the strength. So to come with a user-friendly interface and a drag and drop automation with an excellent support and onboarding for new users. Now talking about the weakness, it has a limited scalability for large or complex team. It can also get a price up as you grow or add users. Fewer third-party integration compared to bigger platform. And here's the pricing plan. For the starter plan, you pay about $159 per month for a users, which is Keap Pro, and additional user have an extra payment. Now, talking about the Salesforce on the other side, talking about the strength, it has a high customizable with a robust reporting and automation, and also have a massive integration ecosystem with an help app exchanger. It also comes with a scalable cross-department sales service, marketing, and all other marketing tools. Now, talking about the weakness from this other side of Salesforce, we also have a wide degree of weakness. So, talking about the weakness, it has a steep learning curve for new user, required ongoing admin or developer support for customization, and also can cost rise. The cost can rise significantly with add-on and customer features. And here the final conclusion about these two platforms. To choose Keap if you are a small business owner or service provider who need a simple built-in marketing plus a CRM combo with a minimal setup. For you can also choose Salesforce if you are a part of a growing or enterprise business that need a high-level customization report and an enterprise-grade integration. So let me know in the comment section which of these two platforms you think will be the best CRM tools for you to use in 2025. Thanks.